And since we've been gone from Universal, because it's been a while, they opened up their Universal store on City Walk. We're about to go inside to see what it looks like. So if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. And thanks for stopping by. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because here we go.
You came on the right side. Wow.
First off, they outdid themselves. Secondly, there's more stuff here than inside the actual park. And you get a free wand. Amber always finds the key machines. But
The pennies. Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Oh, look at that.
Oh wow. Those cups are cool.
Aren't you a
What?
Ravenclaw, man?
I am a Ravenclaw. Amber is a Gryffindor. Gryffindor, actually. It matches everything that you're wearing today. I feel like you did that on purpose.
Duh.
In case you didn't hear her, she said, duh. You have to add that sass into, duh. This place is pretty awesome, guys. So we have our water bottles. I got one from work, and then we bought another one. This one looks pretty nice too. And then they have houseware.
Oh no.
Holy cow, these plates are amazing.
Look at it. Beautiful. Oh my god. Nope.
Hogwarts. That's cool. And then they had the $17 for that bowl.
Yeah.
That's for the set of 4, right?
No, each.
Ouch.
Let's see.
And a dessert plate is 15.
So then how much are the plates? You think? How much do you think?
Oh, is that a dessert plate? Is that a dessert plate?
That's like a dessert side plate, maybe?
Oh, that's a salad plate.
17.
So a salad plate is 17?
Yeah.
But they don't have any dinner plates.
And these are 12.
Good lord. So to change our stuff from Disney to Hogwarts is a no.
No.
Whoa, okay. Anyone remember this game, Trivial Pursuit? They have it in Harry Potter.
Deathly Hallows.
Ooh, that one's cool.
But look here. How much? $18.95.
I can't believe they have this much houseware stuff.
I know, this is a cool store, right?
Yeah, if you're interested in Christmas stuff, there's some over there. More wall art here. That castle outline is pretty cool. Holy cow.
This is in that one store.
Yeah.
In Nocturnally.
Is that really,
Nocturnally.
is this really $85? Because that is awesome.
Probably.
I have this in Legos. I am proud to admit.
Look at that.
I know. Okay. Amber wants to get one of these. I think.
But this is for Ravenclaw.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that. So,
It's not my house.
well, it's your husband's house. But she's afraid to do it because of the whole quill thing. I think it'd be kind of cool. Wow.
Wow.
That is pretty nice.
Look at that one.
Oh, that one's nice too. We don't collect wands, but is that something that we should be doing? They get more keychains. There's a whole bunch of stuff here, guys, that you cannot get in the parks at all.
Or at least we.
Haven't been able to find.
Or we also haven't gone in all the shops either.
Okay, now that we're done with Harry Potter, we're gonna venture in. Well, wait, Amber found an alumnus.
It's an iPhone 11. I don't know what this one is. iPhone 11. Whoops.
Wow, guys, this is... Look at this. Like, it does look like it's small, but they packed a lot of stuff in this. And look at this. They have like the resorts and the hotels and everything. That's cool. That's cool.
There's more stuff.
And there's so much stuff in here. I know I keep saying it, but they packed a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff. They have a whole bunch of Simpsons stuff, which makes you wonder because Disney owns Fox now. Now, I will say, I really love this stuff. These subdued looking stuff.
There's another shirt for Brandon.
They have Pop Funko.
I got some time.
And they got the Velociraptor stuff already ready out. I found a mask for Amber. Where's she at? There she is. I found you a mask. This is pretty awesome. I'm glad that they opened this up. I'm glad they opened it up when they did, because the other one is really small. They do have it still open over there on the other side of the courtyard. And Amber found her a Grinch.
17?
Wait, I thought I was your Grinch. Don't answer that. Well guys, if you made it this far, sorry for the short video, but at least you kind of have an idea what this place looks like from now on. But if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.